Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the CareerX series. My name is Moshood Ahmed, and I am a software quality assurance engineer at the Bulb Africa. For this episode, I'll take you through what a QA or quality assurance is, who a QA engineer is, and how you can be one and more. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of everything you need, not just to be a QA engineer, but also at the top in the field. So, what is quality assurance? Quality assurance, popularly referred to as QA, is a part of the software development process that involves thorough monitoring at every stage of the software development lifecycle. It is a series of procedures ensuring that the software meets set standards and satisfies given requirements. Who is a quality assurance engineer? Quality assurance engineer works with other members of a software development team and is tasked with testing the quality of the design and specification of a product. To do this, QA engineer develops standards to ensure high quality code, document test cases, perform automated and manual tests, discover bugs within the programs, and more. When a QA engineer identifies problems or bugs within the software, they report back to other members of the software development team to make changes. This process continues until the software meets the set requirement. Yes, a quality assurance engineer's work is continuous. It begins before a project starts. When the engineer has to collect information and prepare policies for testing during the project, and after it has been completed, they still review subsequent updates to the software. Now that you have a general idea of quality assurance and the responsibilities of these engineers, here is how you can become one. Step 1. Education. People begin their journey into QA by educating themselves through different means. While some may choose to get university education in software engineering or computer science, some may attend programs such as fellowship at the Bulb, and others may self-study. The path you follow is entirely up to you. However, the key is ensuring you learn and understand the fundamentals of software engineering and QA. Step 2. Develop technical skills. Leveraging the knowledge you've gained, you need to develop several technical and interpersonal skills to be a top QA engineer. You need to develop and improve your programming skills. According to a report like Zapier, skills like test scripts, Python, and Java are the most requested in quality assurance job description. Nevertheless, the programming language you specialize in depends on the field you like to go into. If you're unsure, most programs teach multiple languages, so you have an idea of what you'd prefer. If you're teaching yourself, focus on object-oriented languages like Python and C#. Additionally, you need soft skills like good oral and verbal communication, critical thinking, and more. Step 3. Get a professional quality assurance certificate. Professional certifications impact you with more knowledge and increase your chances of getting hired. When you enroll in a 6-month quality assurance fellowship course, we award successful fellows with certifications. Some other great certifications include Certified Quality Assurance Professional (CQAP) and Certified Quality Engineer (CQE). Step 4. Apply for internships or volunteer. A good way to put everything you've learned to practice is with an actual job that offers real-world experience. And the best and surest way to land one is through internship or a volunteer job. You can begin your search for these jobs while you're still in school or enrolled in a program. The same thing applies if you're teaching yourself. You don't need to know it all to apply. During this time, you get to hone your skills and gain significant experience that will put you on track to landing a full-time job. Additionally, it is also an excellent opportunity to connect and bond with QA experts and other software engineers. If you play your cards right, you may end up with a member who could accelerate your career growth. Step 5. Build your portfolio. As you work on projects, you need to build a comprehensive digital portfolio showcasing your work. Your portfolio speaks for you by demonstrating your knowledge of programming languages, highlighting your professional accomplishments, and how you perform testings. Step 6. Create an excellent technical resume. A good technical resume shows recruiters relevant experience in respect to the job role you're applying for. Ensure your resume is optimized and spotlights your technical skills, education, and certifications. It must also include who you are and how recruiters may contact you. Step 7. Begin your job search and prepare for a technical interview. Using the experience from internships and all the knowledge you've amassed so far, you are now ready to look for entry-level jobs. Look for jobs on relevant postings, contact family, friends, and acquaintances. Additionally, reach out to companies you like to work for directly. Ensure to prepare for technical discussions during the interviews. Answer questions in ways that shows your area of expertise in quality assurance. Finally, what is the take-home salary for this role? According to Glassdoor, the average base salary for quality assurance engineer in Nigeria is 200,000 naira per month, with an additional average pay of 600,000 naira. It adds up to 800,000 naira per month. That brings us to the end of this video. Quality assurance engineers are an essential part of software development team. They ensure that software products are of the highest standard possible. So, if you're considering starting a career in quality assurance, make sure to follow the steps in this video. Until next time, remember to like and subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.